Hey everyone, all right, so I am here in front of the Houston Crawfish and Seafood. As always, I always try to go down to Houston once a year. I love crawfish, and this is the crawfish season right now. So you get like a lot of large, juicy, plump crawfish. Now, this is a new place I haven't been to. This is my first time here, so I'm gonna check out the crawfish. I do have a special access to the kitchen of this restaurant, so I will get to see the process, how they cook it, how they prepare it, and then of course, the most important thing is the taste, right? So I will let you know how it tastes, if it's good enough. Stay tuned, join me for today.
You have to have some
Okay. Right here. All right, all right.
You gotta hold it up and eat it.
Yep, yep. All right, so we ordered a crawfish and it's out right now. We ordered 5 pounds, so it smells pretty good. So the sauce is what we make it special here, the Houston sauce. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it is, okay? Because it does smell good. And as you can see, it's pretty good size. Crawfish. Ooh, look at this one. Whoa, look how big this thing is. All right, so let's see. Taste test. This is taste test now, right? Now, the proper way is, of course, you break it in half right here, and then you suck the head. Okay. It can get a little messy, so you gotta be careful. But so yeah, so we are in season right now for crawfish down here. So the size of these crawfish are pretty big. And how long do they normally last till the crawfish season?
Like a month or so.
So till June or July?
No, like at the end, from March to Like
March.
May, it's gone. It's
Oh,
usually
so
end of April.
like 2 months. Wow.
Yeah, no.
So March till May.
But it gets, April is the peak.
Right.
It's May,
So
it's
April-
not going to be that great. It's good, but it's not as great compared to April.
So right now we are in the peak season of crawfish.
Yeah. So you're in the peak month.
Right.
After that, maybe next month will be, not as great.
So the best time to come down to Houston really is April. I would say that's the peak month to go down to Houston for crawfish. Okay, you get nice size. Oh. Very meaty. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Fresh,
Very fresh. Yeah.
not frozen.
Nope. Nope. It's nice to eat because when you go to crawfish place and you eat like late summer, fall, winter, it's all frozen, right? You can tell. You can
The
tell the
meat.
meat's not as good, right? But yeah, oh wow. This is very good. Very good. Thank you to my good friend here who live in Houston.
You're welcome.
She
Anytime.
recommended me this place. So just want you to know I did bring an empty luggage. So it's gonna be full flying back home tonight.
Yum, yum.
Okay, so here we go. All right, so very flavorful, very good sauce. The Houston sauce is pretty good. This is the specialty here.
Not too spicy, right? Yours are medium.
Not too spicy, and we did ask for the medium. So I would not recommend order this mild because you won't have any taste to it. So at least order medium spice, okay? It's not spicy at all, not at all.
You should have mentioned that all these
Yeah.
garlic
Look at that.
and all that flavor.
Look at that. So you got to suck this out, okay? Yes, yes, awesome. Now the oyster's coming out, so let me show you.
Would you like any cocktail sauce with that?
Oh yes, please. All right, so let me show you guys the oyster that we ordered. Okay. Let me finish this crawfish first. Yeah, so once a year, I come down here to Houston just for this,
Just get the kick.
just for that little piece of meat. All right. I am in heaven.
It's finger licking good.
Finger licking good. Now, you know, if you don't know this, Houston, they have their own way, especially the Vietnamese community down Houston. They have their own special way of cooking crawfish. This is not your typical Louisiana crawfish where they boil differently. This is the Vietnamese way, and there's a many different restaurants around Houston area that offer this. So I've been eating a lot of places, okay? And this place is really good. It's really good, okay? So good enough for me to order extra and pack it in my empty luggage, bring it home today. But let me show you the oysters right here. This is the half dozen. I believe this is the Boku Oysters. Okay, so this is the Boku Oysters here. We ordered half a dozen. I guess the difference is it is cold, right? So it's raw and it has the eggs on top to make it different. And as always, of course, I got a Tabasco and cocktail just to go with that. But yeah, this is the Boku Oysters here. This is the Boku Oysters. Normally it's raw. Now normally I eat that with cocktail sauce, but they do have a special sauce here. So it's actually, you don't need the cocktail sauce. It's actually really good. Whatever the sauce they have here is enough for the oysters, and this is pretty good. It tastes a little bit of wasabi in there. You know, like a little bit of soy sauce, wasabi, right? A little bit. But that's it, yeah. It's not bad at all, really. The sauce itself, perfect. All right, so I did something different. I actually request to add the spicy sauce into this instead of the medium spicy. Because the medium spicy was not spicy enough to me, so I'm gonna do the spicy here. So right now, this is the spicy level. I will let you know if it's spicy or it's still decent, okay? Okay, so let me tell you how it tastes with the spicy level now, okay? But you know, you should wear gloves. Unless you don't mind get your hand messy, because it could be a messy food. All right, here we go. All right. So I do taste a little hint of spice in it, but not burning spicy or anything like that. So yeah, I think this will be my go-to sauce right here, the spicy. Yeah, spicy level will be my go-to.
Yeah. You want to get a little kick, but not
Right,
too
a
much.
little kick, but not too much. Not burning lips kind of thing. Anyway, all right. Anyway, just want to know
And
I
succulent.
am in heaven right now. Somebody need to carry me to the airport after this. Oyster's good, fresh, plump. The oyster's very meaty
Fresh.
and fresh.
Fresh is good.
This is heaven in Houston. Okay. Yeah, I would definitely order to go. Spicy level. This is spicy level. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so yeah, so I just finished my meal here. I ordered 6 pounds. Actually, I ordered 5 pounds, and you get one free with that. I ordered half a dozen raw oysters, and then half a dozen of cooked oysters. I believe it's grill baked, and the other half is the Boku oysters. But the crawfish, since I'm here during the peak season of crawfish, so all the crawfish are very good size, have a lot of meats. The sauce, the Houston sauce, is very, very good. And then the spice level, originally I asked for the medium spice. When it came out, I didn't really taste the spice. So I asked them if they could add one more notch to it, to the spicy level. So they did, they mixed them up, bring it back, spicy level, and that was perfect for me. So if you want a little kick in it with your crawfish, ask for the spicy level, okay? And of course the Houston flavor, which is the special sauce here. The crawfish is really good. I love the crawfish. It's very tasty. The sauce is really nice, very flavorful. So yeah, I would highly recommend if anyone's in town in Houston. And I know you guys have a lot of choices, a lot of places you can pick. But if you're nearby this place, make sure to come out here and check them out, because it's really nice. The restaurant is clean. The bathroom is clean, which is a must also for me. So I would highly recommend this place to anyone that come out to Houston. All right, until next time, take care.